As a designer, I'm always looking for the hottest trends, and right now, modern farmhouse design is definitely one of them. This style is indicated by clean lines, neutral colors, and lots of texture. Now, I have a very pretty guest room upstairs that I always felt could use a little something extra. Thankfully, the Shiplap from the Metrie Option M Modern Farmhouse line will be absolutely perfect. The first thing you're going to want to do is to locate your wall studs so you have a secure place to anchor your shiplap. An easy trick for doing this is by finding a wall outlet, and there's generally going to be a stud to the left or the right of it. Once you find it, they should run 16 inches off center in either direction. Then, using a level, draw tall vertical lines from the floor all the way to the ceiling so you can locate that stud every time you lay a board. The second step is removing the baseboard. Use a utility knife to gently score it, and use a pry bar or a chisel to gently pry it away from the wall, because you will be using this potentially again at the end. Now that your studs have been marked and your baseboards have been removed, you're ready for installation. The first thing you're going to want to do is to take a measurement of the ceiling height and divide it by the widths of the shiplap boards, because you want to have at least half a width of shiplap at the top. Once you confirm that your boards are cut to length and level, you can start nailing them into the studs. Do this in the dado because each consecutive board will hide the previous nail holes. Make cuts to each board where necessary using a compound miter saw. The next step after your shiplap wall is fully installed is to fill any gaps with caulking so the wall is ready for painting. So now you're almost done. The next thing you want to do is to replace your baseboard to hide any gaps. Add a coat of paint of your choosing, and voila, your shiplap wall is done. So as you can see, by simply adding a few planks of Metrie's Option M Modern Farmhouse Shiplap, we've completely enhanced this guest bedroom and made it even more inviting and comfortable. If you'd like to encourage this design style in your own home, Metrie has a full range of modern farmhouse trim elements designed to enhance every space. Please click on the link below for more information.